Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ng Bombo Radyo La Union. Waragawag. Ilocano word ito, waragawag. Parang announcement, statement. Pakdaar. Waragawag. Pahibalo. Waragawag ni House Majority Leader Ferdinand Alexander Sandro A. Marcos. In view of the impeachment complaints, bakit may S? Di ba isa lang yung tinanggap? Rineject yung dalawa eh. Complaints filed against President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., who is my father. I have decided to formally recuse. Ano bang yan? R-A-C-U-S. Recuse myself from all discussions, deliberations, and proceedings of the House Committee on Rules insofar as these complaints are concerned. Wow! Parang nag-inhibit. Para patas, hindi ako makikialam. Wow naman, naniniwala ba kayong patas sila dyan ng labanan? I don't know. This decision is guided not by legal compulsion, but by a higher obligation to preserve the integrity of the House of Representatives. Wow! Tanong, meron pa bang naiwang integrity ng House of Representatives? I don't know. Tanong lang. To protect the credibility of the processes. Yon. May credibility po ba? Yung ginawa nila na hindi nila tinanggap yung dalawa? Joke. And to uphold the public's trust in our constitutional system. Kumusta? Marami pa bang nagtitiwala sa Kamara? While I am fully aware that the rules of the House do not require my inhibition, and while I remain confident in the independence and professionalism of my colleagues, I recognize that leadership sometimes calls for restraint rather than participation. In moments that test institutions, perception matters as much as procedure. Yan! Tama yan, perception matters. Anong perception ng taong bayan sa ginawa nila na hindi nila tinanggap yung second and third impeachment? Perception matters. Maganda ba yun para sa imahe ng House? To me, hindi. Lalong nawawalan ako ng tiwala sa House sa ginawa na hindi tinanggap yung second and third impeachment. The House must be allowed to discharge its constitutional duties without any shadow of personal interest, real or imagined. Hindi ba constitutional duty ng House yung tanggapin whatever complaints na idulog sa Office of the Secretary General? Hindi rason, insulto sa taong bayan, yung sabi ninyo na hindi pwedeng tanggapin dahil nasa Taiwan yung Secretary General. Kalukuhan yun. Kalukuhan. We were not born yesterday. Tapos sabihin nyo na trabaho ng House yun, trabaho na tanggapin nyo lang. My recusal ensures that no question may be raised about the fairness, objectivity, or legitimacy of the process, and that the focus remains where it properly belongs, on the Constitution, the facts, and rule of law. Ang gagaling yung magsalita, masarap pakinggan. Kailang ang nangyayari on the ground, yung hindi nyo tinanggap, yung dalawang pangalawa at pangatlo is nakakaumay, nakakadismaya. Yung unang tinanggap nyo lang na lumalabas na kaalyado ninyo, yung abogado na nagsampa. Ano ba yan? I take this step not as a retreat from responsibility, but as an affirmation of it. Public office is a trust, and that trust is strengthened when those who hold power are willing to step aside to protect the institution they serve. I remain committed to my duties as House Majority Leader in all other matters, and I will express full confidence that the House will act with independence, sovereignty, and fidelity to the Constitution and addressing this issue. Our democracy is strongest when institutions are bigger than personalities and when public servants choose principle over proximity. Ang sarap pong pakinggan ang pahayag ng Majority Floor Leader. Kailang pananaw ko lang ito, hanggang salita lang yan. Parehas sa Presidente, kung magsalita, ang sarap pakinggan pag nagsalita. Kailang ang nangyayari on the ground, kabaliktaran. So, I don't know, ano nang nangyari doon sa hindi nila tinanggap na impeachment complaint galing sa Makabayan Black at galing sa grupo ni na Attorney Topacio. Again, that is an insult to the intelligence of Filipinos. Kapansin-pansin na yung unang impeachment complaint na tinanggap, mahina, para automatic madismiss, at yung pangalawa, pangatlo, ma-technical na yon, mapapasok na yon sa 1-year bar rule para safety ang presidente sa taong ito. Yan ang nakikita ng taong bayan, and wala na. Nakakatawa, nakakaano. So, there's no use kahit mag-inhibit si Congressman Sandro Marcos dahil loto na, lotong Macau. Tapos na ang labanan. Hindi na yan uusad ang impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Hanggang House na lang yan. Ang hintayin na lang natin, yung impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara na isasampa nila next month. Yun ang tunay na ano. So, good luck. Congratulations pala sa presidente dahil sa nakikita ko, maibabasura ang unang impeachment complaint laban sa kanya. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talanding ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Nani ang natagaan namong ugsin. Ate. Nani ang iyang balay.
Buslot na, giantos lang namo ang mga buslot.